How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch precise bottoms and tops in the stock market. And the reason why I'm smiling is because I gotta talk about AMC. I alerted this thing way back, and it's just been like crazy, crazy gains. And I was like saying, like, are we finally going to get the uptrend according to this system? And this is just insane. And I know where it's all coming from. You know, you got the Warring Kitty and all these pumpers, and like they, this time, everyone's thinking maybe this is the second time around, right? So I want to show you guys my system where there's no bias. It's just what do you see, and what can you expect from this trade, and how to trade it. So this is AMC. How my system traded. I traded this multiple times on my Discord, and some on my own here. But I'm going to show you guys where I alerted this, how it works. So in the upper band, you have this red band. You see when price tends to go here, there usually is a sell-off. This is where it's hard for the buyers to sustain it, and then the shorts can come here and attack it because there's a lot of a meat on the bones, right? They can really get a lot, because what these are is ATR levels, and they're customized to be extremely overbought and extremely oversold. They're not your typical Bollinger Bands. So when price goes above here, it sells off. I'm going to show you a couple. When price gets close, it sells off, close, sells off, and then look at this. Price gets above and sells off. And where does the price tend to sell off? I have three bands in the middle. You have your EMA 5, your purple, EMA 10, your yellow, and your light blue is your EMA 20. If you guys don't know about the EMAs, I'm very happy to teach you guys. Like I said, I have a premium Discord. It's only 20 cents a day. You can learn so much and even get my exact entries and exits of over 95% of my trades that win. I'll post that link in the YouTube comments below if you want to join. But what you see is price gets above the upper band here, and it's going to hit your EMA 5 the fastest, but it has to always hit the three bands, and what I use is time distance. When price comes away from the EMA 10, like right in here, let me see if I can find the arrow here, like right in here is when price is hitting that yellow band. We can very clearly see that. Right here is 1 day of time distance. This candle right here, there's no EMAs being touched. So price hurry up and touches the EMA 5, and then it goes down and touches the EMA 10, and then EMA 20. It has to do that. And then when it does that, then we can decide, are we going to go for an uptrend or a downtrend? In this case, we go for a downtrend. The bands go down. Right in here, same scenario. I can repeatedly say this. Price hits the uptrend, the upper band. Can it still go up? Absolutely. It can go over some ATR levels, and it squeezes out the shorts right in here. But then it can't really sustain this as there's a lot of black space. You're way above it, and then price goes down. So I showed you some of these sell alerts so you guys can kind of see the pattern that I'm showing you guys. Like right in here, you see the pattern that I'm about to show you here. And do keep in mind, our buy zone in the Discord was right here. As price got close to the lower band, vice versa, that is a buy zone. And guess where price went from 238 all the way to 588? A lot of people are just now buying right in here after hours as it's up 18%, when really you guys should be buying right down here according to the bottom reversal system when it's depressing. You always buy when it's depressing, not when there's hopium and greed and all that. Never do that, because this will be rug pulled as fast as you think it would. So I get it. We could have another 2.0 AMC GME squeeze. I totally get that, and this could go well beyond the upper bands. But do keep in mind your risk versus reward. That's all I want to say. No one knows exactly how high AMC can go. No one knows that. It's impossible. But we can control our risk versus reward when we should be buying down here. When I made a video about AMC, and now I'm going to make a video about now our sell points are getting hit. I've said, do we make an uptrend in my last video? And look now, we made an uptrend and hit this upper band. Because as you can see, we constantly hit the EMA 20 and went down. Look at this. We're hitting these bands, went down. It's just been constant. We hit this EMA 20, went down. So we want to make sure, right in here, I was like, be a little cautious, but guess what happens? We went up and hit this upper band. We didn't go down like I thought. So we're at this upper band. This right here is a sell zone. As you can see, just when price on the upper wick goes above this upper band, it sells off and closes here. What we want to see is price to make a new high. We want to see this candle go way above, or even correct a little, my bad. Because we want these upper bands to have more room. Because price is having a hard time going above it when you're so far up the ATR levels. You need price to cool down. So buying up in here is not really practical. It doesn't really make sense. You want price to cool down. And where do we often let price cool down? The most conservative target is right here, your EMA 5 and EMA 10. And those are where your uptrend bounces are going to happen. 5, 10, and even 20. So do keep that in mind. Am I a fan of buying AMC up here? Absolutely not. I would not buy AMC up here at the upper band. I alerted it down here at the lower band. The opposite, when price is depressing, when nobody wanted it, is when I alerted it. And now that price went over from 238 to 588, now everyone wants to buy it because it's running and it's at 588 when you should have got in early and bought it at where I alerted the buy. So do keep that in mind. I get it. You got to understand market sentiment and structures. This right here is, you're at your hopium level. You're excited and you don't know why you want to buy AMC and you're just doing it because everyone else is telling you to do it. When right here, when I made a video, nobody wanted to buy it. Everyone was saying not buy it. I buy it. And I do the inverse because I know what the system does. We're making nice gains right in here, and we can target the EMA 10 and 20 for a nice gain. If you guys enjoyed this video and you like to join the premium Discord, I talked about it a little. This right here is the best Discord for swing trading. You will make massive money as long as you follow my education. I have accumulation videos. Like if you go to my videos, I have accumulation rules, how to properly accumulate, my swing trading strategy, how to get the indicators on your chart. If you like options, I have it. I am making videos, making videos and putting the time into it so you guys can be successful. Because if you guys make money, I make money. We're over 2,000 members and we're constantly growing in a short amount of time frame because people like this system. It's easy to use. It makes sense. We're at upper band. There tends to be a sell-off. Your risk versus reward is not there. You go to the green band. Your risk versus reward is there, right? So you do want to make sure you are looking at it's at the best things, right? You want to protect your account. You don't want to follow what the other 90% of traders do because they lose money. You want to be the small group of traders, right? So I catch trend reversals. If you want to join the premium Discord, I'll put the link down below into my YouTube comments and in my YouTube description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my favorite trades. And when you click that link and down in my YouTube comments, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is go to the subscriptions tab, click on premium chat or any of these channels. Once you subscribe, you unlock all these channels. It'll be 20 cents a day or $6 a month. And do keep in mind, it is slightly cheaper if you subscribe on your computer compared to your phone because your phone charges an iOS fee. When you subscribe, you are going to be profitable. I am going to work my butt off to make sure you are profitable. I'm not guaranteeing you're going to be rich. This takes time. Trading is a journey. It's a marathon. It is not a sprint. So I'm not going to promise you hopes and dreams, but I will say you will be profitable. And my goal is to make 50% profit or 50% percentage profits on each in a month time frame with swing trades. I look for that daily 10%. And then I try to write up as much as possible, like you see AMC, right? So you're going to get my RTK swing trades, which are known as Reversal Trader King. You get my exact entries. I am very transparent. I'm not here to hide anything because I know this system works, right? You get my education videos and everything right in here. If you put the time in, you will be successful, just like in anything in life. And I'm here for you guys 24/7 in the channel. This right here is AMC. This is what it looks like right now. I want to see a pullback. It could easily hit your EMA 10s and 20s for sure. EMA 5 for a shorter term. So do keep that in mind and be very careful. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, and comment what you think. I love hearing your opinions, even if it's a differing opinion. It helps the algorithm share to other people because people are interested in the video. And I know you guys can make money. I know, a lot of people has been buying AMC way over here, and I've been telling people exactly, when to buy and sell. And this has been one of my favorite trades to trade. I love it. It has done exactly what I wanted to do and made thousands and thousands. My other buy was right here, as you can see here, hit bottom band. It goes up, makes decent gains, and way up in here. 512 from $4. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the premium Discord. Let's make some money together. Peace out.